Here in the video, we will share the details for the Star Citizen error code 5007. The error reads, "An error has occurred during the installation process. Please report a bug if the problem persists. Make sure to include your logs." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to install the game. The error typically occurs during the second phase of the download process, especially when the download is about to complete. According to our research, the error is likely caused by issues like insufficient virtual memory, conflicts with antivirus, incorrect installation path, lack of storage, outdated SSD drivers, or file corruption. The first thing we suggest is to retry the download a few times. Sometimes simply attempting the download again can help resolve the issue. Once you retry, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try increasing your virtual memory. Many users found success by setting their virtual memory between 1000 megabytes and 10,000 megabytes per drive. Once you update the settings, check for the error again. If the error still persists, then disable your antivirus and try downloading the game again. Antivirus can sometimes interfere with the installation process. After disabling it, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then double-check your available HDD space. Even if you have more than 110 gigabytes free, the installation might require over 150 gigabytes for swap files. So make sure you have enough space available. If the error still doesn't resolve, then lower your download speed to 25,000 and set concurrent downloads to 15 in the download settings. Pause the download when about 2 gigabytes is left, then resume it. After doing this, see if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then add a registry entry. To do this, open the CMD prompt as administrator and enter the following line: reg addy hklm system current control set services stormmed parameters device v forced physical sector size in bytes t reg multi ss st 4295 f. After this, restart your computer and try the installation again. Before doing this, delete any previous installation files. Then check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then check the RSI Launcher Game Installation location settings. Make sure the game is being installed in the right location. Then open the RSI Launcher, then click on Settings, then go to Games and verify the game library folder path. If it's incorrect, update it and click the Change button. Then check for the error again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.